And now we come to the last wine, which is our big boy from Rioja, Finca Monasterio. The Finca Monasterio is really, is today Barón de LEY Winery's flagship wine, and it is very peculiar for Rioja standards in many ways. The first aspect is that Finca Monasterio is a single estate wine. That means that, in fact, Barón de LEY Winery is located in a 16th century Benedictine monastery, all restored, with 90 hectares of vineyard in front. And this wine is only made with grapes coming from that estate, from the monastery. So obviously, each vintage will reflect, the climate of that particular plot in that year. This is the first element, but then the second is that, very strangely for Rioja standards, this wine has Cabernet Sauvignon. Rioja is the biggest winemaking region, not in terms of quantity, but in terms of prestige in Spain. And so we have an institution that is called Rioja Consejo Regulador, that is controlling all the elements about winemaking in Rioja. And one of the conditions is that in Rioja we are only allowed to make wines with the indigenous grape. That means that in Rioja it is not possible to make, it's not allowed to make wines with Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Riesling, whatever. It's only the local grapes. But there is a little but to that, because there is a very small exception. In the beginning of the 90s, the Rioja board allowed a few wineries, including Barón de LEY, to experiment with Cabernet Sauvignon. So, in the monastery's estate, we have 10 hectares, and in principle, we are allowed to do whatever we like with them, as long as we never mention the taboo words Cabernet Sauvignon on a Rioja label, because it is understood that this would disrupt the image of the region. In any case, the Cabernet is here normally in around 20% with 80% Tempranillo. This is a wine that normally, to make a short and quick definition, we call it super Riojan. And we mean that because a little bit like what happens in Tuscany with the super Tuscans, this is like an enfant terrible, a new style of wine with a new concept in the region, with a style that is completely different and actually breaks a little bit all the schemes of the region. We are looking at a wine that has lots of concentration, lots of power and lots of fruit. This is, again, the definition of Finca Monasterio. But on the other hand, what is fun about this wine, when you look at the color, you see the concentration that the wine is promising and the tannins and everything. But in fact, in the nose, it is unusually expressive for this type of wines, because it is a Rioja, and Rioja means elegance. So Finca Monasterio is super and also Riojan. You take it to the nose and you will see, all the fruit, all the black fruits, but also all the traces of spices, cinnamon, roasted coffee, and it's really a wine that then in the mouth delivers, lots of power, lots of tannins, but very, very brown, very friendly. So it is a wine that actually you can drink more than 2 glasses without any problem. So this, by the way, this wine just won a gold medal in the world's most important wine competition, the Wine Challenge in London. So it's really a great wine out of a great vintage. So enjoy it.